Hello, so today we're doing a review for Ignite.com. Today I received our Airlift Deluxe Hoover vacuum from FedEx, and we're just going to show you a little bit of how it works. The Airlift Deluxe came with the following accessories. We have a pivoting dusting brush, a crevice tool, 3-in-1 pivoting brush, a pet hair tool, which is going to be very handy, as well as a turbo tool, which is this guy up here. So we're going to turn this on, and we're going to see how well it works. So it came very nicely wrapped up. Please don't mind my dog in the background. So let's unwind this. And we're going to plug it in and test it out. Okay, just push the button, taking it out of the box. So from what I can see, it's very simple. You just push down with your foot, and you push the red button. So there's a few little pieces of dirt on here, so we're going to see how well it does. Airlift Deluxe from Hoover. So easy to push, not heavy at all. Really picking up those little dust pieces. I love this feature because if you go to clean it, swivel. So far so good. It has an easy rinse filter, which is going to be very nice when cleaning. There is an extension handle, so you can reach up and get those cobwebs that are so high up in the air. And hello, so today we're doing a review for Ignite.com. Today I received our Airlift Deluxe Hoover vacuum from FedEx, and we're just going to show you a little bit of how it works.